Hello, hello. I am going to give myself my Mounjaro injection of 7.5 in my arm today. I have never given myself the injection in my arm, so this will be a new experience for me. So let's get to it. Here is my Mounjaro 7.5. This is a new box. My last box of 7.5, I think. This will be the last box. And you can see all the instructions and the actual injection pen. So I will start by taking my alcohol pad, my sterile alcohol prep pad, and I will clean a big portion of my arm. I'm not sure exactly where that injection will land, but I'm thinking it's going to be right about here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the pen and I'm going to take the bottom off. Ooh, I can see something coming out. I am going to unlock it. Now, normally I wait until I place it on the site before I unlock it, but I am so unsure about this that I am going to unlock it now so that it can be ready. And I am going to take that spot that I wiped down and I am going to release. That was the second click. I wait 10 seconds. And there it is. That is the arm injection. So now I will take my second alcohol wipe and just clean that area. Did I mention I did wash my hands too? And there it is. Just a little dab of blood there. And that is it. Can you believe that? Can you believe it was that easy and that seamless? I've never injected in my arm before. I was very nervous about it, and I was more nervous about the pen malfunctioning than I actually was giving myself the injection. So I've come a long way from not even wanting to inject at all to now, hey, I can inject in my arm. I could do it myself. And my only worry, like I said, was the pen malfunctioning. But as you can see, that did not happen. So I hope that helps you if you are thinking about giving yourself a Mounjaro, a Zepbound, Wegovy, or Ozempic, Saxenda, any GLP-1. If you're thinking about giving yourself the injection in your arm, well, now you see, it's easy peasy. I am curious to see if I notice appetite suppression, if there will be food noise, if there will be more weight loss. So we shall see. I've heard people say you lose more weight in your arm. Some people have said they didn't notice a difference. We will see what my experience will be. Thank you for watching. If you are not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. Just don't quit.